Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have the February Bonjour Jolie box to unopen for you guys. This is a period subscription service, sometimes known as the time of the month box. Got my notes here so I can tell you all about it. It is $16.50 a month. They ship worldwide, $6.99 shipping cost to the United States, $13.99 to Canada, and $19.99 worldwide. I think it's great that no matter where you are in the world, you can get this box. In here you do get 20 menstrual items, so pads, tampons, panty liners, whatever you need. You can also mix and match. You get a curated gift in here, also some bath goodies, and then the food. The food is the best part. I always look forward to the food. I will leave the link down below for Bonjour Jolie if you're interested in this. Now, before we get started, I also want to let you know I do pay for this with my own money. I've been getting this for years. I love this. I don't go to the store and buy tampons anymore because I have this box. I'm just saying. So if you go on the site, this is the normal box. This is their average box. But if you go on the site, they have different types of boxes you can get depending on where you are in your life. If you're a teen starting out with her first period, if you're about to go through menopause, I think there's like 3 or 4 other boxes. Go over there and explore that site. It's fantastic. All right, let's open this bad boy up. All right, so first glance, we have little hearts that says a thank you. Oh, yeah. Yay. Here we are, first glance, and I see chocolate. Let's do the food first. Let's just do it. This is a box of chocolate. It's got caramel, strawberry cream, orange cream, chocolate truffle, and chocolate caramel. This is from Elmer Chocolate. Those are the different kinds in the back. Yes. Where's the thing of goodies? Okay, we're just gonna open this first. We might as well. There's food right at the top. Why not? Why not? Okay. So we have some Annie's Friends Bunny Grams. This is in chocolate chip, chocolate, and honey. Yummy. We have some Lindt truffles. I think these are just regular Lindt truffles. Yes. Lindt truffles are delicious if you stick them in the refrigerator. You can thank me later. Okay, then we have some Godiva. What? I don't even know what kind this is, but it's Godiva chocolate. Here it is. Yummy, yum, yum. Okay, and then we always get like a drink. It's mostly tea. If you've been to this channel before, you know, not a tea drinker, these will most likely be going to my mother. So we have, this is from Puka. We have Love Organic, which is a heartwarming touch of rose, chamomile, and lavender. We have Revitalize, which is a burst of warming cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. And we have Elderberry and Echinacea, a rich embrace tingling with a fruity warmth. If this isn't needed now more than ever, I don't know what is. Elderberry and Echinacea. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Then we have our pads and tampons in this bundle. Cool. And then you also get in here, you get some Summer's Eve cloth. I have 2 different smells. I have Blissful Escape and Golden Glamour. Interesting. And some Advil. These are great just to throw in your purse. I've had coworkers that are like, oh my God, I just got my period. I have nothing. I hand them a Summer's Eve cloth and a pack of Advil and a tampon and go, here you go. So it's great to have on hand. Okay. Then we have this little bag. That's the end of it. Now the only thing is we didn't get a card that says what's supposed to be in here. We didn't get one last month. They were doing cards for a little bit, but I guess not this time around. All right, so this is Scrub Me the... Excuse me? Excuse me. Scrub Me the Right Way Hydrating Lip Scrub and Raspberry Sorbet. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, it smells good. Oh, nice. So that's what it looks like. I just stuck my finger in there, but that's what it looks like. Natalie is in, or no, Natalie's there. Luna is going in the box. Just so you know, if you hear anything going down under here, it's her. Okay, and then we have 2, are these lip glosses? I'm guessing they're lip glosses from Bombshell. We have it in Indulge and Stripped. Right, the one, I don't know if you can see, but the one is like a, it's like a raspberry color. And then this one, I'm really curious about this one. We're going to open this one up. It's so weird. It's just white. It doesn't have a smell. I think it's just a gloss. Like, I don't even know if it's going to pick it up yet. It's literally like, it's just a gloss. So... interesting. If I wasn't wearing lipstick, I would have put this on and feel, I mean, it feels pretty smooth. But yeah, that is everything that I got in this box. So we got our lip scrub. We got our 2 lip products. We got our Valentine's Day chocolates. We got our pads and tampons that are sitting over here. We got our little bits of food. Our Godiva chocolates. Ooh, we should eat one. I'm probably going to eat one. And then we have our Summer's Eve cloth and our Advil. Again, $6.50. You can't go wrong. This is the perfect little box for when Aunt Flo comes to visit. What did you guys think of this box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you all really soon in my next video. Goodbye! Alright, I'm gonna eat this one. I don't know what it is. Godiva Masterpieces, Chef de Revanche. Butchered all of that. Oh. Is it orange chocolate? I don't know. That's what it looks like. Oh. Oh God. Almost caramel. Yummy. Well, right here, we might as well eat the other one. Same thing. I have no idea what this is. Tart. Maybe I'll have like a chocolate truffle in it. It's like a chocolate truffle, like a mousse maybe. And it's dark chocolate. These are delightful.